If your rice cooker is giving you mushy, bluey messes every time, you need to stop what you are doing and listen to this. Getting perfectly cooked rice shouldn't feel like a scientific experiment that requires perfect timing and constant attention. It should just work. And honestly, finding a cooker that handles everything from sticky Korean rice to fluffy Indian basmati without a fuss is really difficult out there. I've tested countless kitchen gadgets over the years, and I've seen people waste hours cleaning up sticky spills and dealing with unevenly cooked grains. I remember buying a cheaper model that left the bottom layer of rice burnt, while the top was still hard and crunchy. It was a constant struggle, especially when I was cooking for a crowd or trying to make something specific like sticky rice. You want a dependable appliance that just delivers consistently good results every single time, without requiring a chemistry degree to operate. What really impressed me about the Cuckoo model is the quiet operation. It has a silent pressure system that cuts down on the steam noise dramatically, which is a huge deal if you live in a shared space. Secondly, the twin pressure system lets you choose high pressure for that chewy, sticky texture, or non-pressure for a light, fluffy result. It's a true discovery. Then there's the induction heating. This isn't just heating, it provides precise, even heat around the pot, which drastically improves the consistency of the rice texture. I used to look at high-end brands like Ninja or Instant Pot for these features, and they often cost over $200. This Cuckoo unit provides comparable functionality at a much lower price point. Another great feature is the quick mode. You can cook a single serving in about 12 minutes, which is a huge time saver. And the cleanup is simple. The removable parts and non-stick surfaces make daily maintenance straightforward. My only minor critique is that the instruction manual is quite dense, and it took some digging to find the most useful recipe tips. Picture this, it's a Sunday morning, and you walk into the kitchen. The aroma of perfectly cooked, lightly fragrant rice hits you. The steam rises gently, signaling that breakfast is ready, and you don't have to worry about the pot scorching or the texture being off. Just effortless, consistent quality that makes the whole house smell wonderful. Amazon prices on this model are moving constantly. I have placed the link below so you can check if the current discount is still live.